Ever wondered about the top Swedish inventions that have shaped our world? Well, today we're taking a journey through some of the most influential innovations from this Scandinavian powerhouse. So buckle up, as we start with an invention that quite literally keeps us safe on the roads. In 1959, Volvo engineer Niels Bohlin invented the three-point seatbelt, a simple device that has saved countless lives. Imagine driving without the snug embrace of a seatbelt. Unthinkable, isn't it? Yet there was a time when seatbelts were not a standard feature in cars. Bohlin's invention changed that. A masterstroke of Swedish innovation, the three-point seatbelt is designed to secure the passenger's torso and hips, drastically reducing the risk of injury during a collision. This remarkable invention has been universally implemented in vehicles across the globe, enhancing road safety for everyone. In fact, it's estimated that the three-point seatbelt reduces the risk of death in a car crash by up to 60%. Quite a feat for something as simple as a belt, wouldn't you agree? But that's the beauty of innovation. Sometimes it's the simplest ideas that have the most profound impact. From keeping us safe on the roads, we move to an invention that keeps our hearts ticking. The pacemaker, a small device with a huge impact. Invented in Sweden by Rune Elmqvist in 1958, it's been vital for heart patients worldwide. This incredible Swedish innovation has transformed the landscape of medical technology. With a beat that mimics the heart's natural rhythm, pacemakers have given a new lease of life to millions. Elmqvist's invention was a game-changer, an electronic device capable of regulating the heart's beat, bringing regularity back to irregular hearts. Over the years, it has evolved, becoming smaller, more efficient, and more adaptive to the needs of the patient. These tiny devices, often no bigger than a 50-cent coin, have made a colossal difference. They've given people the chance to live normal lives despite heart conditions that once might have been debilitating. From saving lives in the medical field, we now move to an invention that's a staple in every toolbox. Johan Petter Johansson, a Swedish inventor, introduced the world to the adjustable wrench in 1891, and it's been a must-have tool ever since. This versatile instrument, also known as the Swedish key, has transformed the way we handle mechanical work. It was Johansson's ingenious design that allowed the wrench to adjust to different sizes of nuts and bolts. This eliminated the need for a set of wrenches of varying sizes, making mechanical and repair work far more straightforward and efficient. And it's not only professionals who benefit. The adjustable wrench has found its place in countless homes around the globe, ready to tackle everything from assembling furniture to fixing a leaky faucet. The impact of this Swedish innovation is undeniable. It has simplified tasks for industries, professionals, and everyday handymen alike, proving that sometimes it's the simplest inventions that have the broadest reach. From simplifying work, we now move to an invention that quite literally blew things up. Alfred Nobel, a name associated with both peace and powerful explosives. His invention, Dynamite, changed the face of construction and mining. Nobel, a Swedish inventor and industrialist, developed this explosive in the mid-19th century. Dynamite, a safer and more manageable alternative to nitroglycerin, revolutionized industries. It rapidly became a vital tool in construction, mining, and even tunneling, enabling large-scale projects previously thought impossible. However, its power also made it a key element in warfare, a use that Nobel himself deeply regretted. Despite its controversial history, there's no denying the significant role dynamite played in shaping the modern world. It has helped create the infrastructure we rely on today, from roads to buildings, and even the Panama Canal. From explosive innovations, we now move to an invention that changed how we package and store our food. Ruben Rausing, the man behind Tetra Pak, revolutionized food packaging and distribution with his aseptic technology in 1951. This simple yet ingenious innovation came as a game-changer in the food industry, making it possible to store and transport liquids like milk and juices for extended periods without refrigeration. The Tetra Pak offered a practical and hygienic solution that was not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. The development of Tetra Pak was a significant step towards ensuring food safety and reducing food waste on a global scale. Its unique design allowed for efficient packaging and distribution, making food products accessible even in remote areas of the world. Today, Tetra Pak is a household name, with its products consumed by millions every day. The impact of this Swedish innovation cannot be overstated. It has revolutionized the way we package, store, and consume our food. From food packaging to life-saving devices, Swedish inventions have truly shaped our world. So, there you have it. 5 Swedish inventions that have left a lasting impact globally. From the life-saving 3-point seatbelt and pacemaker, to the versatile adjustable wrench, powerful dynamite, and revolutionary Tetra Pak. Stay tuned for more journeys into the world of innovation. Until then, remember, every invention starts with an idea.